how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open Google Chrome and go to the top right hand corner to click on the three dots. After that, scroll down and click on Settings. Then, on the left hand side menu, scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Next, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. From here, a prompt will appear explaining that this will reset Chrome settings, disable extensions, and delete cookies, but it won't affect your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. Finally, click the blue Reset Settings button and Chrome will be reset to default settings. So that's basically how you can reset Google Chrome to default settings. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.